What up?
How can you be flying?
Cab fare? Lip balm? Picture of a platonic friend that you have no romantic interest in. It's clear he has an unhealthy attachment to you.
And you should know.
Aww. It's your mitts on the wheel!
Don't tell me what to do. You're not my mom's boyfriend.
Tails, no!
There's a perfectly good explanation for this.
I found a giant octopus. Think I can keep him?
Changed my mind.
Sonic, did you return the book I lent you to the library?
Not yet? Got it.
Nice.
A few inches later.
I got this.
It means aliens are coming!
Isn't it?
Yup.
No!
If I was in charge, we'd be in the temple already.
And if you were in charge, I'd be in the temple already. Where?
Is this massage Swedish or Deep Circuit?
Let's go blindfold ourselves and run into the forest to see if we can find our way back.
You got me thinking, Sonny. Today's the day. I'm headed home to drink my soda.
Knuckles, get up! They didn't wake us up so we could follow them.
Oh, man, I taste great.
Sticky, but good.
Really good.
I never get to do stuff like this with Orbot and Cubot. Marshmallows always gunk up their circuitry.
Yeah, that's the problem with having no real friends.
Sonic! Merciful landfills! What is that awful smell?
It's number 50.
You know, you're being a real asshole, Tails.
You're the asshole!
I guess we're both kind of assholes, aren't we? Sticks, what the fuck? What's our time, Tails? Tails?
What? Oh, I forgot to hit stop. Can you do it again?
Oh, that reminds me. I gotta chop my off.
Everybody do the flop. Everybody do the flop. Everybody do the